I live in a city which has a very beautiful location near my home, and I'm walking to that location for making a very special video for you guys. So stay tuned, you're gonna see it very soon. Of course, we can't do it alone, so the husband is also helping me. Hi, welcome. My name is Paulami, and today I am cooking outside my kitchen at a very special location. Ta-da! This is the windmill right next to where we live in the Netherlands, and I thought, why not make a summery dish which can be made outside the kitchen as well. So if you're going on a picnic or some place special where you don't have access to your gas, this recipe will work for you guys. I am now going to be making a salad. It's called a fruit chaat with some fresh local fruits that I found at the local grocer. I have a beautiful apple, I have a pear, I have a nectarine, I have few plums, some grapes, some blueberries, and a banana. So I'm going to start chopping all of these things and then start assembling them into the salad. This is such an easy dish, and this is something which people generally eat. So if you do know about the season of Ramadan, people who follow Ramadan generally eat this when they have to break their fast. Or this is a salad which is also sold on the streets in India as well. So the idea is to chop the fruits not too small, because you don't want to disintegrate them. It's not something where it has to get really tiny. And the salad is so fresh, it's beautiful. Guess what? A fun fact. The windmill that you see behind me is a working windmill. So you can actually, if you are ever visiting the city where I live, you can visit the windmill on 3 days of the week and buy flour. So time to transfer everything into a bowl. This is more like a camping cooking that I'm doing now, and I'm loving it. We have to still chop our bananas. Again, as I said, you can use whatever you find in. So this is the point where I realized that my microphone had stopped working and nothing that I was saying was getting recorded. So I cut all the vegetables, put them in the bowl, and then brought out the secret ingredient, and that is the chaat masala. I mixed around 1.5 teaspoon of the chaat masala along with some lime juice. You can also add orange juice to this and give it a good mix. So give it a really good mix like you care. So your fruit chaat salad is ready. I enjoyed the salad while looking at the beautiful view behind me, and I hope you liked this recipe as well. If you happen to like this video and the surroundings that I did show you, don't forget to give me a like, a comment down below, share this video among your friends, and yes, please subscribe to my channel. If you try this recipe, let me know. Take care and bye.